Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we make banking a breeze. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to download your RBC bank statements online. Whether you're preparing for taxes, tracking your expenses, or just staying organized, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. And since we're talking 2025, we'll stick to the latest, most efficient methods. So, grab your device, and let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few basics: an active RBC online banking account, a stable internet connection, and your login credentials handy. Security is key, so make sure you're on a secure network. Step 1. Head over to the RBC website. You can do this by typing www.rbcroyalbank.com into your browser or using the RBC mobile app for even faster access. Once you're there, look for the Login button at the top right corner and enter your username and password. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security in 2025. Now, after logging in, navigate to the Accounts or Statements section. This is usually found in the main dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your accounts. Select the one you want the statement for. Step 2. Once you're in the account details, find the Statements or Documents tab. Here, you'll see a list of available statements. Choose the date range or specific statement you need. RBC makes this straightforward with filters for monthly, quarterly, or custom periods. Next, hit the Download button. You'll get options for formats like PDF or CSV, depending on what works best for you. Select your preferred format, and voila! Your statement will download right to your device in seconds. One quick tip: if you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check your account settings or contact RBC support through their chat feature. It's fast and helpful. And there you have it. You've just downloaded your RBC bank statement online, easy and fast. This method saves you time and paper, making it perfect for our eco-friendly 2025 lifestyle. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and hit that bell icon. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.